This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Windows Media Center on your Xbox 360. First, ensure both your computer and Xbox 360 are connected to the same home network. Next, open Windows Media Center on your PC. Navigate to the Tasks menu, then select Add Extender. This initial step generates an 8-digit setup key, which you will need shortly for your Xbox 360 console. This key is crucial for linking the two devices seamlessly. Now, let's configure your PC. Within Windows Media Center, enable media sharing to allow your Xbox 360 access to your content. You'll need to specify the exact folders containing your music, photos, and videos. It's also important to adjust your firewall settings to permit Media Center communication. Remember, your computer must remain powered on and awake for the Xbox 360 to access your shared media libraries. Moving to your Xbox 360, power it on and navigate to the Apps section from the dashboard. Locate and select the Windows Media Center application. You will then be prompted to enter the 8-digit setup key that was generated on your computer. Carefully input this key using your Xbox 360 controller. Follow the remaining on-screen prompts to finalize the connection between your console and Media Center. If you encounter any issues, first verify that both devices are on the same network and have stable internet access. A simple restart of both your computer and Xbox 360 can often resolve minor connection problems. Ensure your Windows Media Center software is fully updated for the best compatibility. For optimal streaming performance, especially with high-definition content, consider using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.